So boring background gone. Let me show you the fastest way to replace a background in Photoshop on iPad. This video is all about background replacement. Clean, fast and beginner friendly. So this is the image that I have opened through the Files app, and let's select the subject by going into the selection mode and picking a method. In this case I will take this select subject method because the subject is separated from the background. The background is a little blur in this case, so let's select the subject and it will cleanly select the subject easily. And what we will do is we will copy selection and paste it as a new layer, and we will delete the background layer. So see, we are left with only the cutout of our image, and now we will bring a background and will place it behind our subject. Going into the files again, and this time I will bring this image. Let's resize it a little bit. Okay, done. And let's place it below this one. Select the layer and now you can scale it. Hit the OK button. So here is another cool trick to remove background from your image. So this is the image and you can see the white background around the center table. So to remove it, it is very simple. You have to select the layer and go into the layer properties panel, and you will find remove background here. So you just have to click this and boom, it will automatically remove the background for you. Isn't it simple? In the next video we will see how to add realism with the shadows and highlights.